Hey everyone, welcome back. Is every episode in DramaBox showing error, unable to play no matter which story you try? Here's the fix. This error almost always comes down to a connection error or a cage problem rather than any specific episode. First, go to your settings and toggle your airplane mode on for about 15 seconds, then turn it back off fully to reset your network connection. Since a broken streaming session can cause every video to feel the same way, force close DramaBox completely from your recent apps and reopen it on that fresh connection. If episodes still won't play, go to your settings app, go to Wi-Fi, and try switching from Wi-Fi to mobile data or vice versa to rule out a problem with one specific network. If the error continues across the networks, go in the settings, go back, go to general, go to iPhone storage, find DramaBox to the list of apps, tap on it and then tap offload app. After offloading it, go to the app store, search for DramaBox and reinstall it fresh from there. So, this will clear out a corrupted playback cage. That's the most common root cause of blanket unable to play error. So, all you've got to do is reset your connection with airplane mode, force close and reopen, try a different network, then offload and reinstall if needed. Episodes play again, and that's it. Subscribe.